The stop button is one of the most unique buttons in Scratch. It can pause any project at any time. However, you can't detect the stop button, right? Well, about 3 years ago, I made the same tutorial, but it utilizes the reset timer block, which could mess up anyone's project who uses the timer variable. So today, I am teaching you the same tutorial, but without using the reset timer block. So guys, what are we waiting for? Let's get scratching. So in our project, we are going to add a new variable. You can call it whatever you want, but I am going to call it counter. Now we are going to drag a when green flag clicked block and a set counter to 0 block. And then we're going to add a forever loop, and we're going to put the change counter by 1 block in the forever loop and a wait 1 second in the forever loop. Now let's set the counter to 1. Now what that does is it basically acts as a timer, but it starts at 2. And it is actually perfect because in my older video, I used the timer variable, but I used the reset timer block, which works perfectly fine, but then you cannot use the timer block, which can be troubling if you want the timer block to work as you want to for some other projects or some other stuff you want to do. So we are going to use this to act as a timer block. Now we're going to the event section and drag a when timer is greater than block, and then we're going to set this value to the counter variable. You can do whatever you want, but I'm going to create a new variable called stop timer value, and then I'm going to change the stop timer value by 1, and I'm going to put a forever loop outside of it. So this is all the code that you need, and then we can press the green flag, and as you can see, we press the green flag and this has not been activated. But if I press the stop button, this will be activated. So now this works, and you can put whatever you want in here, and the stop button detection works. So thank you very much for watching until the end, and I hope you learned something in this video and you don't have to use the timer variable for the stop detection ever again. So make sure you like the video and subscribe to make sure to not miss out the next video in the Detector channel, and I will see you in the next video. Guys, keep scratching on.